What's up, everybody? Mr. Pavline once again working on the 1994 BMW 318i. We're doing the driver's side lower control arm today, and stick with us and see what we got going on. Say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
We got Alex here ready to go. We're about to get to work. I'm going to get the car jumped up. Well, not jumped up, jacked up. And get the tire off, and let's get on it. You already loosen them? All right. Oh. So this is the lower control arm right here. And the other day we had a problem putting on this bushing. This bushing right here, we had problems getting that rubber through the shaft on this side here. Let me show you. This doesn't just fit on. You have to heat this up to fit that on. And if you pay attention and watch us through the video, we're going to show you how it's done. Especially when you're only working at home with no press-on Lee press-on nail. Oh, that one is terrible. All right. I don't know if this is going to be any easier.
You go at it the other side?
Yeah, but the position in this one's different. All right, loosen it. No problem.
It's going somewhere. I was about to say
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one was tight, but then you crack it and it comes off in 2 seconds. Alright, that's the only bad part. I don't have shit like that. I don't remember how I did it. I just know kinda how I did it.
Yeah, me too. I go through that too.
You know, I don't remember exactly, but I know how.
It's like I'll do I've done the job by myself, and then when I get another car, it's like, wow, I don't even remember how I took it out of there.
How did I get that in there?
Right? I did that job.
Man,
Yes, you did.
you gotta send this to the dealership, and I did this last time. Are you done?
Yeah, got it off.
You got it all? Okay. I seen the bolt right there, but I wasn't sure if that was yours or what.
Take off my mic right here. Let's put it back on my shirt. I'm going to be working on another vehicle over here while Alex will be working on that. I got the Buick Enclave right there, and I am going to replace the hoses on it. So that'll what I'll be doing.
This is the fun part.
What, hammering?
Yeah.
MC hammering?
Dang, dang. Already fucking took Kyle on. My fucking back hurt now. No. This one. That's what I'm saying.
Keep hitting it, dude. That's all you gotta do. I mean, how many ideas you're gonna come up with?
Oh, no, that's what I'm saying. You can look on this side. I fucking discolored this whole fucking side over here. I put it back to the fresh chrome paint job it came with. Only bad reason of having him over. Nice and lubed up.
There it is. There it is. You'll end up blowing yourself up. Fucking club, this is bullshit.
This is it. I'm done.
Got it now?
Damn. That motherfucker went. Swoop.
You don't have shoes on. You get your feet all dirty and our carpet all dirty.
Yeah. I don't like kids.
You're getting our floors dirty. Why do you think I take my shoes off? Look at that. Put yours on.
I felt the drop too now.
Yep, I felt the drop. Hurry up before you miss any more drops.
Might be all we get.
Yeah, that might be it. There's the rain. It's over.
Yeah, one time it rained all day.
I like that.
Yeah, it rained another day and another day.
Tomorrow's supposed to rain big time.
19. Where are you, 19? Get this shit out of here. Where? We are done.
We are freaking 11:05.
This 19? Yeah. I want to make sure this motherfucker right here tighten one good time. I don't want it to be my fault that the bolts are fucking loose.
Well, hopefully he'll sell it by then.
Alright, hopefully he's not driving.
I know, he gives it to his daughter and she goes on vacation and the tire's passing her on the highway.
Where are we gonna put that pin back on?
Yeah. You want to take the tire off and do all that?
It's not a problem. It's simple. That's what I'm saying. It's simple to do, but I just wasn't sure if it was gonna, rattle and all that. And then
It might, but it's not going to do all that.
fuck. I just banged my fucking shin on the jack.
That's
Oh. Fucking hits. After all that bullshit.
Yeah. Call it done yet. Nah, we are done.
Not yet. Still haven't hired.
So everybody, we were able to finish this job pretty quickly. We recorded probably about the same amount of time, an hour and 20 minutes worth. But we got it done a lot quicker than what we did last time. So I want to thank everybody for watching and hope you learned something today. Just like we learned something on Tuesday on how to put the bushing on that lower patrol arm. So join us next time, everybody, for another exciting episode of Mr. Probably.